Every winter, we learn and discuss the winter holidays that many people around the world celebrate. The winter holidays that we will be discussing this year are Hanukkah, which begins December 10th and ends December 18th, Christmas, which is on December 25th, and we will talk about how people around the world celebrate Christmas, and Kwanzaa, which begins on December 26th and ends on January 1st. The first winter holiday that we will talk about this year is Hanukkah, and it is also called the Festival of Lights. Hanukkah is the Jewish Festival of Lights. It remembers the rededication of the second Jewish temple in Jerusalem. It lasts for 8 days during the month of December. During Hanukkah, a candle is lit each of the 8 nights on a special menorah, which is a candle holder. There is a 9th candle, the shamash, that is used to light the other candles each night. Traditionally, they are lit from left to right. Hanukkah is also a time of giving and receiving presents, and gifts are often given each night. Lots of games are played. The most popular game is the dreidel. A dreidel is a 4-sided top with a Hebrew letter on each side. There are some traditional foods that are served during Hanukkah. Brisket and roast chicken are traditional meat dishes they enjoy. Fried foods are eaten as well. Latkes are one. They are a fried potato cake, like a potato pancake. Some traditional delicious desserts enjoyed included baked olive oil donuts and Hanukkah gelt cookies. A little history behind Hanukkah. In 171 BC, there was a new king called Antiochus Epiphanes, which means Antiochus, the visible God. He wanted all the empire to follow the Greek way of life and worship Greek gods. In 168 BC, Antiochus set up a statue of Zeus with his own head on it in the Jewish temple. He banned Jewish families from practicing their faith and religion. Many Jews were killed for their faith. Soon after, a Jewish rebellion started. A former priest named Mattathias was forced to make an offering to the Greek god Zeus. He refused, and then he killed a Syrian soldier. His sons joined him and killed many more soldiers. He was older and soon died, but his son Judah, also called Maccabee, took charge of the freedom fighters. Maccabee and his troops lived in caves and fought for 3 years before they met the Syrians in an open battle and defeated them. When they got back to Jerusalem, they cleaned up the temple, which is like a church, and rebuilt the Jewish altar exactly 3 years after Antiochus's statue had been put up. Then the temple was rededicated to God. According to tradition, when the Jews reclaimed the temple, a lamp was lit inside and remained burning for 8 nights, even though there was only a small amount of oil left. To remember this miraculous event, they light a Hanukkah menorah candle each night. Okay, before I close, I just want to show you, I'm going to go back through some of these slides and show you some symbols of Hanukkah. One would be the candle holder, the menorah that you see here. It has 9 candles. The middle one is the shamash, or the helper candle, and it's the 4 on the front on the left-hand side and the 4 on the right-hand side that get lit throughout Hanukkah. The star is called the Star of David. That's a Jewish symbol. This top here is the dreidel. You're going to be able to see some videos about Hanukkah and listen to the dreidel song. Maybe you'll learn to sing it. And you see a lot of blue and white here. Those are the colors that symbolize Hanukkah, is blue and white. The videos that I have for you to see are really good, and you will learn more facts about the holiday of Hanukkah.